Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first step, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click to start, then click to setting. After that click system, then scroll down, click troubleshoot. Okay, then other troubleshoot. Let's find out the Windows Update and click to run it. Okay, so after that any window it open it. So no worry, you just minimize it. It will checking in the background. Okay, and close this window. After that, next step, it's very important for you and your system, restart the Windows component. Okay, so I am giving this command step by step. So first click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and this command I will give in description so you can type it. Okay, so first command it's this. Okay, and you can type manually, otherwise you can copy also. I give you in the notepad. Not okay, this command 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this 9 command. Okay, so this is located your update on these locations. Okay, so it will create new one, this meaning of this command. Okay, so this command I will give you in description so you can copy paste. So first one by one try to this command like this. Okay, so it will stop the services. Yeah, so now this one, that second. Okay, third, you can see. Okay, then this is locations, and if coming any error like access denied, it's not found because I already tried. That's why. And last one again, start net start. Okay, then it is completed, then close it. And guys, you can take a screenshot also if, and minimize. Then next, again click to start, type cmd, one more command, it will recover and restore your system. So it's very important also. Sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage. Okay, so when it is 100% completed, then guys need to restart your system, and after the restart you have to check your issue resolved or not. Please comment me if it is resolved, or it not, then I will create new video for this issue. Okay, thank you.